Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to show you the best free alternative to Midjourney, unlimited and free. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Now in today's video, the alternative that we will be talking about is called leonardo.ai. Now, leonardo.ai is free and unlimited to use. It is also a great alternative to Midjourney, which is now required to have a subscription for you to use. Now, in today's video, we will be talking about how you could use leonardo.ai and also some of the difference it has with Midjourney. So let's get started. Now, to be able to use leonardo.ai, you're going to have to go to their website, which is, as you can see here in our screen, leonardo.ai. You're simply going to go to this website, and then this is what you're going to see. If you would like to learn more information about Leonardo, you can simply go to this website and then read through the different information available in this section. Now, after going here, you simply going to click on Launch Up, which would redirect you to this page over here, wherein you will be able to start creating your own AI image by simply clicking here on the image generator over here on the left side on the user tools. Now, this is what their generation would look like. As you can see, we're going to give you a quick tour on what the different options or settings that we have over here. Now, before that, the biggest difference that you can already notice between Leonardo and Midjourney is that Leonardo has its own website, unlike in Midjourney wherein you will have to go to Discord to be able to access the Midjourney bot or the Midjourney generator. And as you can see, with the leonardo.ai, you already have your own website, which will make it more easier to manage your different photos. So let's give this one a tour. As you can see here in the middle, this is where you're going to have to enter your prompt. And over here, this is where you can see the different versions of Leonardo, the different models. As you can see here, you have Dream Shaper version 5, Diffusion, Creative, Select, Signature, Stable Diffusion 1.5, Stable Diffusion 2.1, and you could also create your custom model over here if you would like. There's also styles over here. You could select Leonardo style or none over here. And if you would like to have a negative prompt, you can enable this. Negative prompt means these are the specific sections of your image generation that you don't want to see. For example, you don't want to see the color red. You could type in red over here or the color red, and it will not show you that specific element into your photo. As you can see here also in the below here, this will be where you will be able to see the different photos that you have asked leonardo.ai to generate. As you can see, these are the different photos I have asked it to generate. You can also click on prompt generation over here or image generation over here. Now over here on the left side, you have your number of images. This is how many images will be produced. Now in Midjourney, by default, you will be able to have 4 images. But over here, you can control it to 1 until 8 over here. There's also Automy, Prompt Magic, High Contrast, Prompt Magic Strength. If you don't know what this means, you can simply hover on the specific question mark over here and it will show you some information. For example, in High Contrast, it will show you more shadows. And there's also public images, your image dimension over here, your aspect ratio, you can change them in this section. There's also guidance scale over here and image prompt over here, wherein if you upload an image, it will use that image that you have just uploaded as a reference for the model to use to build upon. So let's give it a try. Let's go test out our leonardo.ai over here. Let's go give it a very simple prompt. So for example, we're going to go with one of my favorite prompts, 32-bit isometric. And then we're simply going to think of a topic, let's say ocean. And you're simply going to click on generate to generate this specific prompt that you have entered. And as you can notice also, it will say this will use 4 tokens. Now you have 150 token over here. Now I did say that it is unlimited, but it will give you a limitation like 150 tokens every 12 hours. Now I doubt you would be able to use that all under 12 hours, but if you do, you're just going to have to wait for 12 hours and then it will regenerate very quickly. And after this, you're simply going to click on generate, and as you can see, it will generate over here. You will be able to see the percentage and how long it will take Leonardo to open this. Now, I'm going to give you a tip to be able to create amazing prompts like this one, amazing outputs. Now, it is a very simple tip. It is not going to be confusing. You will be able to follow it very easily. Now, to be able to produce similar outputs over here, you're simply going to look for a specific photo that you would like to use the style of or recreate. For example, we have this character over here, this masterpiece titled over here. You're simply going to open this, and what you're going to do is you're going to copy the specific prompt, the one in our gallery over here. Let's try this one. I'm going to copy our negative prompts as well. Select this, add the negative prompt, and let's see if we will be able to replicate the character or at least the style that this user has used. And click on generate. Now this is what you could do if you would like to create amazing outputs. You can simply look through the different gallery over here, copy the prompts, and you could change the information like the model and all of those stuff. And then you will be able to create amazing outputs like the specific photo that you have selected. And as you can see here, we have our character over here. It is very similar. We were able to replicate it to a certain bit, but as you can see, there are differences. The earlier one has better realistic design. This is probably because they have used a different model over here. And let's see if what model the person has used. As you can see, the model they have used is the fine-tuned model RPG over here, which is for custom model, and it is not over here. And you can simply experiment on how you would like to use Leonardo. As you can see here also, it will take our tokens over here slowly, and you can manage your tokens properly. It depends on how you would like to use Leonardo for. But as you can see, you will be able to produce amazing results by simply using prompts. You could also use prompts that you have used in Midjourney and try to recreate them, or let leonardo.ai to generate images that are similar to what Midjourney would produce, and see actually the difference between the two. Now let's try this once again. Let's copy another design over here. For example, this one. I would like to try this. So let's see the information. They have used the Dream Shaper version 6. Now for us, it is not available because that is for a paid subscription version. But we're going to stick with the version 5, and let's see if we will be able to create something similar to this character over here. So let's simply copy our different prompts over here, negative prompts and the normal prompts. And as you can see, it is generating over here, and it took a token from our section over here after this finishes. Now we could also edit our settings over here if you would like, but as you can see, we were able to produce this. Now the head got cut off because of our aspect ratio, but still, nonetheless, it still produced an amazing results over here. And it is up to you guys on how you would like to use Leonardo. Now you can experiment, do whatever you want, check out the ways you could use Leonardo, and figure out the different prompts that would work best with Leonardo. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.